In this video, I'm going to show you how to view recently deleted photos and videos on a Google Pixel. So open up your Google Photos on your Pixel, and then on my phone, to get to the trash or the deleted pictures, I am going to tap on Collections and then tap on Bin. And in here, I can see my recently deleted photos and videos. So basically, after 60 days, they will automatically remove from the bin. However, if I want to maybe restore a video, I can long press it and hit restore if I've mistakenly deleted it. Or if I just want to bin all of these photos and videos, I could just hit delete, and that would delete them before the 60 days.